So I scoured the internet for how to get this handle off, and I could not find a good way. So I had to hit up a locksmith. He had to explain it to me. So I'm gonna make a video on how to take off a commercial interior door handle. I don't even know what brand this is. Let's see, Schlage door handle. All right, this is how you do it. All right, so you start by using a poker device right here on the inside of the handle, pushing right there. That causes that to come off. Next, you take your hand, put it around the circle, you twist it to the left, maybe two hands, plate comes off. Then there is a nut, a castle nut inside of here that needs to be spun off. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So you spin it. I'm just using this drill bit that I had here. Spin it off, lefty-loosey. Boom. Then you take the screws off right here and right here. There's that. And then the handle comes out the other side like that.